Gut feeler friend, if you're dealing with stomach issues, chronic gastritis, acid reflux, indigestion, burning sensation, or even have been diagnosed with H. pylori bacteria, this video is for you. Because after 10 years of working with hundreds of one-on-one clients and our 150,000 gut feeders here on YouTube, I want to give you my best healing advice in a nutshell. And later, after watching this video, if you want help to implement this advice into your daily life, I recommend you to check out the 1-week stomach healing challenge that I created for my one-on-one clients that can give you a step-by-step process to follow to naturally heal your stomach without more pills, supplements, or expensive superfoods, but bringing it down back to the essential things, the 3 things that we're going to discuss in this video. When I look back on the protocols, 9 out of 10 clients have been told one of these 2 things. Just take this, fill in the blank, antibiotic, acid blocker, HCl supplement, probiotic, or you just need to eat healthy and reduce your stress. Maybe you have already tried to eat all the healthy foods and do your yoga practices in the morning, but you're still dealing with stomach issues. Here's one thing I want you to know after all you've been through, all the suffering. Your stomach is not broken. There's nothing wrong with you. Your system is likely just overwhelmed because your stomach doesn't just digest food. It digests everything you experience, what you encounter in your life, the people around you, your emotions, your pace, your rhythm in your life. Your body is naturally, including your stomach, built to heal itself, to repair itself, to rebalance itself. It's constantly happening in your body 24/7. So why are you having stomach issues? Well, sometimes, in this case, the body is overwhelmed. The system, it's all too much. Maybe you're eating healthy foods and the body just says, no, 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 no. The stomach is just reacting and you have pain. That's a sign that the underlying healing conditions are not given for the body to heal itself. So with the 3 things, these are really gems that I'm going to share with you. They might sound boring, but they are the essence. If you implement these 3 things, you can heal your stomach naturally, even if you have been dealing with this for decades or most of your life. Number 1, slow is the new fast. Slowing down is really the highway to healing anything in your digestive system. Maybe it's just a breath before you start eating, calming your nervous system down. It is definitely eating slower, chewing more, right? Digestion starts here, not in your stomach. So make it easy for your stomach by already starting the digestive process here. And also when you slow down, even if it's not sexy, I understand you might have food anxiety and you feel like I just want to get it done and I want to focus on the food. But when you slow down, it does feel uncomfortable in the beginning, but you'll also be able to reconnect to the intelligence of your body because your gut feelings and your body, they tell you all the time, 24/7, yes, I like this, no, I don't like that. It's subtle at first if you're not used to listening to it. So by slowing down, you will feel with every bite, is this actually good for me? And you can stop in time. Maybe in the beginning you don't notice it, but by making that a ritual, it will get easier. Number 2, when it comes to diet, boring and simple is the love language of your stomach. So think instead of Sunday brunch and 20 ingredients all together, which you need a lot of stomach acid, digestive enzymes, way more gut motility is necessary to break all these things down, way more stress. Instead of just eating monomeal or a few simple ingredients, it's not the gourmet food and you don't have to eat that for the rest of your life, but it gives your body this healing space because digestion is a real thing. It's a really big thing. So make it easy and make it boring and simple. Also helps you because you spend less time in the kitchen. And number 3, last advice, more supplements and more pills doesn't equal more healing. Often what I see with one-on-one clients and also on gut feeders here on YouTube, they're, should I take this supplement or this supplement or this supplement? I have this and this supplement. Sometimes we spend half an hour in a one-on-one session just talking about all the supplements that the client has purchased over the years. If the supplement is not exactly what your body needs, it works against your healing. It's not like, I'll take this just in case and that. And most of the supplements, they have toxic fillers, they overburden your liver, they inflame your gut lining more. You have all these probiotics and HCl pills that actually create more imbalance and more stress on your stomach. So if you take supplements, you want to know, why are you taking this? And don't overwhelm it. So putting all these things together, your body naturally knows how to heal. Your job is to create the right healing conditions. Just like a plant needs water and sunlight, and if you put too many nutrients and too many artificial growth enhancers, the plant dies. It's too much. And if you want help to implement these things that I mentioned right now, I created the 1-week healing challenge that I highly recommend you look at the testimonials. I've been doing this for 10 years, helping people with their stomach and digestive issues, and you get meal plan, shopping list. You know why you eat certain foods and why you don't eat certain foods, at least for a while until you're healing your stomach. I also give you my best knowledge about the 3 major root causes for stomach issues that I've seen in the past. I have supplement guidance for you so you don't get overwhelmed and like, oh, should I take this or this or this? And if you have food anxiety because of the pain, I also give you my best tools to calm down and rebalance your nervous system so you can reduce that anxiety naturally. If that sounds like a good plan, check it out right now. There's a nice preview section as well. Look at the testimonials. I wish you all the best.